In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. This is a really useful feature for those of you looking to expand your business without the hassle of managing different accounts. Let's dive right in. To start, open your web browser and head over to Shopify's homepage. Once you're there, log into your existing Shopify account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at your store's admin dashboard. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see the name of your current store. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu is going to be your gateway to managing multiple stores under one account. Next, click on the option that says All Stores. This will take you to a new page where you can see any other stores you've created under your account. This is essentially your hub for managing multiple storefronts within Shopify. From here, we're going to create a brand new store. Now locate and click on the button labeled Create Store. This will begin the official process of adding a new store to your account. A series of steps will follow, starting with a selection page where you can choose certain options for your store. Carefully review these options and select what's best suited for your needs. Don't worry if you're unsure about any choices you're making. You can adjust most settings later. After reviewing the options, click on Next to proceed. You may be presented with additional choices, which might seem a bit repetitive. This is just Shopify ensuring you configure your store correctly. Once again, make your selections and click on Next. Now you'll be prompted to select from yet another set of options. Stay focused and select what you desire for your new store. Be mindful of each choice as this will shape how your store functions. After making your selections, click Next once more. Doing this may seem monotonous, but it is crucial for setting up the store just the way you want it. You're almost there. When you reach the final options, review them thoroughly. After making the final selections, click on the button that says Get Started. This will bring you to a page where you can choose a plan for your new store. Shopify offers a range of plans to fit different business needs and budgets. Take a moment to decide which one is the best fit, or if you're still unsure, you can click on Skip, I'll decide later. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to create multiple Shopify stores under a single account. This method is a great way to streamline your business operations. Remember, each new store is an opportunity to expand your reach and cater to different markets. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to set up more stores. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.